Hi everyone! I'm not sure kung low-bat ako kasi hindi ko na-check. Wala palang ano. We sold our house and we are renting a new home. Plan kasi namin na doon na lang kami bibili ng lupa sa probinsya para malapit sa parents ko. And tumaba na ako ngayon. Long time no see. And ito I'm already 4 months pregnant. 4 months plus pregnant. Equivalent to 19 weeks. So, next week, it's gonna be 20 weeks. So, ngayon, we're going to the bank kasi kailangan namin mag-transfer ng funds para may pang-grocery. I miss you! Wala na. Medyo magulo yung kwarto namin kasi na disarrange yung bed namin. Wala na. Kailangan ko I have to make sure na may dala akong extra battery. Hindi na ako sanay mag-vlog. Ayan si Chris, Hi. Na-miss ko tuloy itong camera. I can't find parang naiwan ko ata yung ibang camera ko sa bahay ng tita ko, kaya yung extra battery ko andon. So, hopefully, fingers crossed na hindi to maglubat para madami akong ma-vlog ngayon. Na-miss ko kayo guys. Hinihingal ako kasi buntis na nga ako. Yeah. Hi.
It's Amang.
Si Amang.
They call it Amang in the Philippines. He's our friend. Yeah, ingat.
Mang, wait lang. Siya yung tumutulong sa amin atras pag may pag naghanap kami ng parking area.
He's a nice guy, right?
Medyo matagal sa loob ng bangko.
He's funny.
Yeah.
He's a cool guy.
How are you, Chris?
I'm a cool guy too, but I'm not as funny. Sometimes my jokes aren't funny, and Fema knows that.
Chris just had a relapse last month again.
Yeah.
Kasi he stopped taking his medicine.
You could say what illness I have.
I think they know.
Well, schizoaffective, thinking I'm Christ when I'm only Chris. No T.
Yeah. So what happened was when you just stopped taking your medicine.
Well, I started 3 years ago because I wanted to be awake more.
When you just stopped taking your latest medicine.
You mean the Protandim when I quit taking that one?
No, the one that you just got. You just had a relapse.
That was like 2 months ago, right?
Oh no, last year.
Yeah. I'm happy we're documenting this, my dear. It's nice.
Yeah,
it could help people because some people are afraid of their illness. They don't want to admit, or they're just so ashamed that they don't admit. But actually, like Fema said, sick people don't know they're sick. So if you're sick and you admit that you're sick, you're no longer sick. You might need to take medicine to maintain. But basically, if you have a problem and you know there's a problem, there's no problem because you can fix it.
Last year, we found out I was pregnant December 26, and I was suffering nausea, lots of pregnancy symptoms until 16 weeks. Yeah, until 16 weeks. And ngayon, di na siya masyadong minsan lang bloated yung tummy ko, tas may rhinitis ako. So right now, si Chris is taking back his old medicine, the previous one. Is it the original one?
Risperidone and escitalopram.
Yeah, risperidone and escitalopram. We're following the dose again because before, the reason why he had the relapse last year, it's because he was tapering it in his own without the doctor's prescription or permission pala. And so nag-relapse siya after a week, no? After a week.
Well, I was tapering it for 3 years, but then I really stopped taking it because I was helping Jeremy get heart surgery by calling my parents.
Yeah. And then so yeah, we did not document that because it was very chaos. It was personal for us, and also I have a hard time documenting
You
that.
can explain what was I like? What was I doing? It's okay. Explain.
His symptoms was always shouting, and you can tell. You can tell them.
Yeah, but you say what I say, but you say it better.
Okay. So he was always shouting. He has low what's that? Temper?
High temper, but
Uh-huh.
but I don't think I'm mad because I'm acting mad, but I don't know I'm mad.
Because you're not aware. He wasn't aware about anything. What he was doing. So yeah, yun. Tas I was also last year was my first time seeing him. Was so sick, and I was so scared, and that's why I brought him to the rehabilitation center for mental disturb.
Yeah, I was disturbed at the time.
Yeah.
I didn't know I was disturbed, so I wasn't. But
And also we don't have the VA clinic here. It's only in Manila, so I can't travel to go to Manila. And also he was very sick for me to bring him to Manila. So now that was it. I don't know if we tackled that in our past or previous vlogs, but that was the highlight of the
Highlight.
that was the highlight. That was happened last year and last month. Last month, the reason why he had a relapse, it was because he stopped completely taking the new medicine because he gained so much weight. I think he was considered obese, and he was like 100 plus kilo. Yeah, we're going back to Bamboo. This will be our last time showing you our house because we move out already, and we're just picking some stuff that we left from our house, and then we're gonna show you the house empty. Actually our neighbor was the one who bought the house, so it's okay. It was very fast. We decided to sell it January, and then it was just like 1 week and we already sold it. So yeah, we're happy with our decision. And
High five.
yeah. And we're planning to buy hopefully a lot in the province. We don't have we don't have anybody else to babysit our house if ever we go to Manila, if ever we go to United States or in the province. That's why we decided to sell our house. Hi. Wow, it's so bright. Dami kong tigyawat, no?
My cousin's husband had it too.
Dami kong tigyawat, no? My melasma is still so dark. Pero dami ko mga pimples, oh. Yan yung mga, oh, may pimples nga ako dito. Tapos dito sa my chest area ko, dami. Yan yung mga, ano ko, dala sa pagbubuntis. Sina mama at papa, papunta dito. We will have a vacation soon sa probinsya. Kasi na-miss namin yung probinsya. Tapos na-miss namin yung family ko doon sa probinsya. So, medyo hindi ako nag-start kanina ng morning sa pag-vlog kasi na-feel ko lang yung feeling na gusto ko mag-vlog mga afternoon. Yeah. Pero tumaba na ako. Oh. Tapos, yung mga pimples ko dito sa noo, madami. Tapos dito sa may leeg. Wala masyado dito, pero meron ako mga redness. Yung sa ilong ko. Yung skin ko kasi parang iba-iba yung kulay. May dark, may red, may hindi siya, no. Kaya, nahihirapan ako gumamit ng right foundation. Yung skin ko. Yan. Teka. Ayan. See? Madami akong pimples dito. Tapos, saan pa? Dito. Tapos, dito naman, sa kabila, may mga freckles ako, plus may melasma pa ako dito. Plus, pimples pa. Kaya, ayan. Yan na. May veins pa ko dito. Kina-cover ko yan ng foundation kasi para kung may nosebleed. Pero veins yan. Manipis yung skin ko dito. So, ayan guys. I'm not sure kung what time sila mama darating mamaya. Pero, siguro, mga morning na. Kaya, yun. Short lang yung vlog ko ngayon. Hopefully, we can vlog tomorrow. Hindi kami pumunta ng bahay. Dun sa bamboo kasi, sumakit yung yung hemorrhoids ko. Dala na pagbubuntis din kasi may constipation ako ever since not day 1, ever since nag 2 months yung tiyan ko. And nalaman ko pala yung dahilan ng constipation ko is the ferrous sulfate. Yon, yung mga vitamins na iniinom ko. Tapos nag-relax din yung yung muscle ng tiyan ko, kaya meron akong constipation until now. So kaya kanina bumili ako ng cream para sa hemorrhoids ko, pero kailangan kong i-ask yung OB ko about it kasi parang nabasa ko sa online na parang hindi din siya advisable. Pero ang lang is hindi siya advisable for first trimester. Pero hindi ko alam kung ilang beses ko siya gamitin sa isang araw. It says in the tube na 3 times a day mo siyang gamitin. Kung siguro hindi ka pregnant, but I'm pregnant kasi next check-up ko ngayong Huwebes, April 6. And I'm excited kasi gusto ko makita nila mama yung ultrasound. Tsaka I'm excited kasi gusto ko makita yung mukha ni baby. Malaki-laki na siya. So, hopefully makita namin yung mukha niya. Kung sino kamukha niya, ako ba or si Chris. So, yeah, yun. Punta muna ako sa living room para kumustahin si Chris. So, Chris is over there. Hi.
Hi.
Ito yung mga gamit namin na hindi pa namin na-arrange. Binilan ako ni Chris ng bagong luggage kasi nakita ko to online. Hello Kitty. Hindi namin expect na medyo pala siya dito. Parang hindi durable. Pero okay siya. Yung mukha niya is maganda. Hello Kitty. Set siya. Pero maliit. Medyo mahal siya. Pero it's okay. Kung hindi siya mag-last. Meron ako meron naman kaming luggage pero ewan. Siguro nainganyo lang na bumili nito. So, let me know kung meron kayong alam na pang-cover sa luggage pag nagbabiyahe kasi ayokong magasgasan siya eh. Ayan. Ay lang. Yung mga doggies ko, happy sila. Si Rafi andito. Hi, Raf! Hi, Rafi boy! Natutulog na siya. Ayan si Gabi. Hindi pa namin sila na walk-walk. Hi, Gabi boy! Ay, Gabi boy, si Rafi pala. So, yung auntie ko bumili siya ng ulam namin mamaya. And, kung you notice, wala si Tubit, si Luti dito. Pina-adapt ko na sila kasi may baby na soon. So, parang hindi naman masakit sa amin masyado na dito sila. Pero nung una talaga nalungkot ako kasi si Tubit, si Luti, matagal na sa amin. Especially si Tubi. But, yung nag-adapt sa kanila, napaka pet lover. So, ayun, masaya naman kami. Nakikita ko naman sila sa Facebook kasi ina-update ako ni Ma'am Joy. Today is April 3 pala, tas Monday. Bago ko makalimutan yung date. Sana tuloy-tuloy yung ano namin. Planning namin. Siguro mag-live ako ngayon. Yeah, mag-live ako ngayon. Check ko muna yung internet ko. Meron naman siya internet. Wait. Buti na lang may free wifi dito. Which is nice. Fix ko muna yung hair ko para hindi naman ako masyadong tsaka tingnan. Mahirap pala pagbuntis, no? May mga kakilala ko na okay yung pagbubuntis nila, pero ako hindi. Yung first baby sana namin ni Chris noong 2011, wala akong symptoms noon. Pero ectopic kasi yun eh. So, supposed to be, ito sana yung pangalawang baby namin. Pero, wala. Yung isa kinuha eh. Hindi para sa amin yun. So, parang hindi pa ready si Chris na mag-live ako ngayon. Kasi nga, medyo on and off pa yung niya. May mood swings pa siya. So, ayokong i-force din naman siya na hindi siya ready. Tapos ayaw niya na, ayaw niya na paka-strange yung acting niya or parang hindi natural kasi nga, may mood swing siya. May classmate ako na buntis. Si Tintin.
And your other
Nag-vlog na Tin.
Your other classmate.
Other classmate.
No, but it's not ours.
Other classmate daw.
It's not A. It's not Tawa.
Tae. Tae ang sunod.
Sa kaya ka man si Motin? No.
7.
7. Ako, mag-5 pa.
Mine's
Yan.
32.
Ako na ko, no?
Kay kuya mag-4.
Kanaya ha, kuha na 32 years.
Yeah, mine's
32 years.
It'll be 32 years.
Pero nagdagamay na ba siya? Hi guys! We're watching our old videos from the Pinky Rice life. Oh, ayan. Pinakita ko kay Tintin tong video na nagsusuot ng ay RJ is wearing dress. Nas, RJ? Wala pa? Mag-buy na ako ngayon, guys. Malapit na pala ako 19,000 plus. Yay! Ilang pindot na lang. 19,000 na tayo, guys. Ayan si Tintin. Bye! Tin. Bye na! Tomorrow naman ulit.